basically now driving. Just going to the beach. This is the first time recording with camera on when I'm going to the beach. It's a pretty nice day outside. Sunny. And the green light is on, which is great. I can go just fast, don't have to stop. Yeah, so we're going to the Strand Hill. If someone knows. Wish I know some more motorcyclists. And then I could just record the video together. Green light. Everyone's so calm driving. So unusual. 40 kilometers per hour in town. I thought the limit is 50. Oh, he's going to the Franklin's Road. So basically when I woke up in the morning, it was outside really sunny. The sun was shining. Got up actually pretty early, 2 times. Well, the second time when I woke up, it was 15 degrees outside. Cones. Who wants to put the cones on the top of the entrance? It's like there's a big monster truck coming in. Spark at this. Front of the car, front of the house. Ah, it's nice breeze. Wish I went up earlier in the morning to the beach, but it doesn't really matter. Still gonna go. Ah, it's a lovely day. Nice day for a cup of tea. So, what the topic should I talk about now? I wonder. Oh yeah, what I can talk about. How I got the bike. Well, basically, I was on one website, and then I saw there's like loads of bikes. Well, before I actually was thinking to get some motorbikes, but I couldn't get insurance. The insurance doesn't cover in here if you're not 25 for a bigger bike. Let's say 600 for example. That's what I was thinking to get, but you can't get it because you're not 25. So anyways, I got 400 and I'm still happy. Oh, let's pass this car. So I got the bike on the website. I was looking through the bikes actually and kind of put them on my wish list. Yeah, so I don't forget which bikes I liked and which I could buy for a certain time. Like some of them are quite expensive actually because Kawasaki is kind of rare models. And the thing is, like, it's hard to get the proper bike that's looked after and put basically stored in garage or inside in a house. Usually all of them they're like kind of damaged and they're not running, or the tire is like gone and it's worn off. And then I have to buy new tires, which will cost you around 200 euros, which you don't want to spend on You just want to get the bike that has the new tires and everything working properly, so you don't have to waste the money and everything. Oh, look at that view. Oh, it's quite windy actually outside. I didn't thought it was going to be that windy. But the thing is, it's on the beach side, that's why the wind is coming in. So basically I got the bike and I had to go to the Dublin to get the bike. The problem is, how can you get the bike from up there to here if you haven't driven before, haven't ridden like one before? So basically, I just had to get the van instead, and got the van. At the start, I didn't know how to get it in because the van like didn't have the drive up. And how can you get the bike in the van if there's no drive up? You can't just lift it in. The bike itself is like 200 kilograms, so it's not that easy. So we found this piece of wood behind the house, well, behind this shed, and we kind of put it against it. But the thing is, the wood itself was cracking and it was really old. It looked like it was taken from the rails that they used in like in old times for the rails to build. And we basically took that and put it on. So, and then we kind of pushed it all together, and well, we kind of managed it actually afterwards. We managed to push it on. Then another thing was the problem. We had to find the straps, and luckily that guy had the straps. See, it's everything. When you try to get the bike, when you buy a bike from someone, you have to have all these things. If you haven't ridden one before, or you just want to get it in one piece, and you don't want to ride it that far, like, you know, it's quite long distance driving from like Dublin up the place where I live. And sorry, just my gloves on, and I can't dress them up. I swapped my gloves with the big ones. I had small ones too, but so anyways, we got it up on the thing and we pushed it in, and then we got it. The thing was, he said he's going to deliver in the next day, but it wasn't. So it actually took him 3 days to deliver, because if they deliver straight to my house, it would just be like, for me, it won't be in my budget, and you don't really wanna spend just for just transporting a bike. So what I did, I just waited a few days, and yeah, then I got a bike, and then we pushed it off. When we pushed it off, then just the old foot piece just cracked. Oh, there's another bike. What's that? Yamaha. 600? No. Oh, come on, you're gonna get it in there behind me. Wait, there's two. Is there two? Oh, come on, who parks like that? Oh well, I have to find another one. No parking. Yep. It's gonna. Oh, the parking place is gonna be taken right now. I won't be able. Oh, I found it. There's another bike parked there. Oh wait, there's this parking place. Jeez. My mistake. It doesn't matter, I park it here. Look at that. No camping for over the night. Well, that's it. So basically we're going to record afterwards. So I'll see you then.